C4 time here. 1994 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Of course, this would be the Targa removable solid top. We'll come out of that, and then we'll lock in a spot in the rear. When the hatch is up, set in the back, locks right in. This particular car, of course, powered by the LT1 350 GM small block V8. It is paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold in this one. Let you take a look at this nose cone, the white paint. Appears to be in decent shape, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Up here in the nose cone, let you take a look at it for yourself. And I'll tell you where to see the still pictures here in just a bit too. You can check out this car from every angle, interior, undersides, engine bay. Also, as you can see, riding on Z06 style chrome wheels. Now those still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, undersides, interior still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. This particular car, I believe, right at about 78,000, a little over 78,000 miles on it. We'll check the exact miles here shortly when I start it up. Let you hear it run. It does have a little different exhaust on it, so it's got a little bit of a rumble to it, nothing crazy. As you can see, classic white on red interior. Now this particular car did have a JVC stereo added to it. We'll get around and check that out closer here too in a second. Tires on it, Nittos, and they are the stock size. This would have came with from the factory back in '94. And they were put on in the last 2 to 3 years. Tires looks good, and you can see still pictures of the tread and the wheels up close. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation on this, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
If you like this video, hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.
Rear face, everything looks good. Let you get a little closer look at that also. Of course, the gas-filled door in the center rear on these. C4s you can get into. You don't have to get into the $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 range to enjoy a Corvette. C4s, still a good bargain. And they got some power in them in the later years with that LT1 engine. See up and down the driver's side here, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find a few imperfections on it. I mean, the car is practically 30 years old. Alright, let's check out this interior a little bit. Of course, the red leather buckets, 6-speed shifter on the floor. You can see this one does have the ride control, so you'd have the Touring Sport and Performance. That's that center knob there, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Of course, power windows, power locks, power seat, power mirrors, tilt, cruise. This bolster is faded a little bit from getting in and out. That could be dyed, which would bring back some of that red. As far as the leather, it's still supple, is not ripped or torn. Make you aware of that. Passenger seat looks good. Probably hasn't had anybody in and out of it quite as much as the driver's seat. Alright, let's go ahead and start this up. Show you the exact miles. There it is, 78,464. Close my door, that light will go off. You can see there's no other warning indicator lights, anything like that. Check engine, service engine, any of that. White face gauges have been added. Climate control JVC works. Aftermarket JVC stereo that was added, and that also works. I tune the station in here.
2178, or check out our redesigned
And
website.
hear that does work. Check out the dash. Also in good shape. It could be your power seat controls, both sides, lumbar. And again, that suspension control dial. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. Like I said, nice little rumble coming out of that LT1. Sounds a little healthier than it would have from the factory. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped open and check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you see the engine bay. One thing I did notice too earlier in picturing, does have a little aftermarket style headlight, probably a little brighter than these would have came with back in '94. Power steering, power brakes, AC, cruise. The other side so you can hear it or see it and hear it over there. Here you can see the tires again put on the last couple 2-3 years. A lot of miles left in those. Won't need to be replaced for a while. Check it out from the passenger side. And again, you can see it's smooth running, sounds good. They're a popular power plant. LT1s. There you go, C4 Corvette 1994 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, a little over 78,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.